You have 1 hour to reinvent a past mistake. And your time starts now!
I know exactly what I want to do, and I hope I can get there. I'm seeing massive, fully constructed dishes around me, but mine is 1 egg. In season 2, we had to do 3 applications of an egg, and my soft poach was over.
There's some runniness, but not enough.
It's the thing that kicked me out of the MasterChef Canada kitchen. Today I'm making shakshuka. It's basically eggs dropped into tomato sauce. It's very, very important for me to cook that egg properly, or all of this is worth nothing.
Nothing you see here will be what I present to the chefs later today, because I don't like to repeat offenses.
That whole spread in season 5 was a mess for me. There was a pork belly, baby octopus, chicken thigh.
This is probably one of the worst tastings I've ever had.
I am back. No wasting the second chance. I have been cooking up a storm. I started my own business. I do private dinners and events. As soon as the show ended, I was asked to be the head chef for Pride Montreal in 2018. And now I understand the importance of representation. Visibility matters.
My tempura batter for my little squiddies.
Reimagining means that I can reuse all of the proteins that I did so poorly and show the judges I can do them really different from the first time around. The plan is to show off a little.
It's coming together, on the fly.
Andrew.
Hi, Chef. How are you?
Good to see you. I'm doing well.
Fantastic.
So, how are you going to reimagine this lonely little poached egg?
I'm doing a dish called shakshuka, or otherwise known as eggs in purgatory.
Purgatory.
Eggs in purgatory.
Are you in purgatory right now?
I am not in purgatory. I'm exactly where I need to be, Chef. Back when I was on the last time, I was working my federal government job, which I hated. So 3 years ago, I opened a restaurant. And I've never been happier. My mother was the inspiration for the naming of my restaurant. Afrit was her nickname for me when I was a kid, and it means troublemaker in Arabic. I got my whole passion for cooking from her, and I'm here to make my mother proud because she's amazing.
Poached egg, liquid center?
Absolutely, Chef. That's the only thing that is scaring me right now, still to this day, and I've cooked thousands.
All right, you know what we want to see?
Yes, Chef.
5 minutes, only 5 more minutes.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I've got chicken cooking in the oven.
Oh, it's in the oven till the last minute.
I've got a million elements. I have to dig deep and hustle, hustle, hustle.
1 minute. Come on, let's go. Get it on
Final 60 seconds. This is it.
This is amazing. Look at the energy in this kitchen right now.
I'm going to be loving to taste a lot of these dishes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Oh, that last one went long.
This is a really good first cook. I'm happy with the presentation. Everything's clean. It's exactly what I wanted.
I ran into some problems. My moves didn't set. Feeling pretty crappy.
Andrew, please bring up your dish.
I'm confident in my dish, but I'm still terrified about what's inside that egg. I made shakshuka, which is eggs in purgatory. It's a traditional Mediterranean dish. I charred peppers and onions and my tomatoes, and then, of course, the egg.
Let's try this egg. It's going to be the moment of truth.
Everything rides on this egg. I'm just praying that it's okay.
Oh, look at that. You are out of purgatory and on your way to heaven by the looks of it. Oh, my goodness. I would say pretty much mission accomplished. The egg, spot on. The flavors are big, bold. So well done.
Thank you, Chef.
Marissa, you're up next.
I made meat and potatoes and surf and turf. The meat and potatoes is chicken thigh with sweet potato noodles, and my surf and turf is tempura'd squid and pork belly.
You have a lot going on one plate here. It looks a little clunky. pork belly is a little tough, and the skin is actually not rendered down. The flavor, though, shines right through. If I can give you any advice here,
Yes, chef.
do less, just do it better.
Gotcha.
Marisa,
Chef Michael.
this is the
Tempura squid with a black vinegar vinaigrette.
You know, the foundation here has really great flavor.
Thank you, chef.
I love what you did with these sweet potato noodles. That coconut sauce really elevates them, and they have a wonderful bite. But the tempura batter needs a little bit more color to it, a little bit more crisp. The chicken, I think, too, could have just a touch more robustness in the flavor. You're well on the way, but did it hit that superstar mark?
Right.
The smallest mistakes can send you to the bottom. And I made a couple of mistakes.
We obviously knew that you were good, but your abilities are beyond what we ever expected.
But one of you showed a level of growth and ingenuity that left us stunned. And that cook is... Andre.
Well done, buddy. Awesome work.
Yes. Winning the first challenge is like a big boost of confidence.
Your uni amuse-bouche was the most impressive dish of the night. And that means that you now have a massive advantage next week.
It's really good to be back.
Unfortunately, there were a few dishes that didn't quite reach the sky-high standards of the others. April Lee, Marissa, and Dora. April Lee and Marissa, please take a step forward.
Both of you fell short of expectations today.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
And the three of us ultimately decided to give you another chance. We believe that you both have a lot more to show us.
Thank you.
We'll prove you're right.
Please go back to your stations.
Thank you, chef.